back with another daily vlog. First and foremost, I appreciate all the new subscribers. As always, I have a lot of fun content for enthusiasts, people who like working on their cars, and people who love aesthetics. As you can see from my channel, if you really want to work on maintenance with your vehicle, I have a certain category for maintenance. As I do every mod, the one thing I'm starting to do is show you how I do it, and that ultimately will show you how to, work on your car, fix the issue. As you can see, I'm very responsive. I'm really big on aesthetics as well. As you can see, made this wide body kit for my car, and I'm also big on performance. I'm doing everything I can to, stretch the boundaries of this engine. So, like I said, I'm the guinea pig, for the team. Everything that I'm giving you guys is just knowledge to help you get to the level that you want. I'm very open to learn as well. There's a few of my subscribers who mentioned things that I picked up on that helped me out ultimately. So this is not a channel to debate on. It's a channel to share knowledge on. It's a channel to grow with one another. So with that being said, here are my new tires I just got. So these are going to be the Kumoh v720 ACR tires. So these tires originally come on a Viper ACR, the like 2017 Viper ACR above, and it's a 19-inch tire. The reason I picked this tire is because I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I got it because one, I'm really pushing my car, and I really want a tire that can have a lot of grip, but it's also street legal. And also I love the way it looks. I've really been, putting my eye on the r888 by Toyo. I actually like the r888s. They changed it to the r888r, which doesn't give you that V-shaped pattern. It only gives you one side of this pattern. I just love the way it looks. It just makes the tire look beefier. So I wanted a tire as close to that as possible. The reason why I didn't go with the Toyo is because they don't offer the size that I need. So when you're looking for tires like those hand cooks I have right now, those are going to be a 285/30/19. As you can see, I have a little stretch on them right there. So those are going to be. So I went ahead and wanted just more of a square fitment. So I went with these. Now these are 295 25/19. Ideally, I might get the same kind of width as these, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a smaller sidewall than I expected. So as you can see, I got a smaller sidewall, so my sidewall is kind of like that, whereas on these it's a little bit more meatier. So what I may end up doing, I'm gonna put these tires on. If these tires are too much of a low profile, I'm gonna try them on the front. If I don't like how they look on the front, I'm gonna do a giveaway of these tires. So depending on how they fit, if I don't like them, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Anytime I buy a part, if I don't like it, I'm gonna announce a giveaway on the channel. But as far as right now, from just kind of reading about these tires, a lot of people have compared these to the r888s. The one plus and benefit they said that these have over the r888s is that it's not loud, because generally when you go with a semi-slick tire, it's going to be a loud tire. And also these, you can drive safely in the rain. The r888s, unfortunately you can drive in the rain, but it is easy to hydroplane. It's just not enough tread. So these are kind of like a happy medium between racing tires and street tires. So that's why I went with these. So I'm looking for some for the front. My fronts are still okay, but I want to match my thread pattern, so I may go with, I'm just looking for the right tire to go with the front. So I'm thinking about probably going with a 255/35 at the front. So yeah, so I just want to give you guys a quick update on the new tires I got. So I'm gonna mount them probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I'm gonna try to mount them up. If I don't mount them up tomorrow, I will mount them up on on Monday. And then I will show you guys, do a quick video on them. But yeah, here's the tires. As you can see, pretty, got a nice little width to the tires. kind of meaty. As you can see, my hand clicks were 285 and they were kind of stretched at 285. So I think these may come a little bit more over the lip to give me more of a square fitment. But as you can see, camber killed me right here. So that's why I got the tires. I might, because these are lower profile, I may kind of back off the camber a little bit and it may clear my fenders a little bit better. So the reason I cambered these is because I actually customized and I made my fender over the tire, so it was a perfect fender fitment when I did it. Okay, so yeah guys, keep up with the daily vlogs and thank you guys for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. I got a lot of fun stuff and giveaways coming up. Stay tuned. Peace.